Hey Schoolies, today we're going to be making a braided bracelet with beads. So first you're going to take your 2-inch strips of fabric and you're going to cut a slit down the middle, and then you're going to pull apart the fabric to create a 1-inch strip. Then you're going to take your 4 pieces of fabric and tie them in a knot at the top to then get ready to tape them on to your surface to get ready to braid. So you're going to have your 4 strips of fabric and you're going to create almost like a letter 4 with the 2 outer pieces, and then you're going to tie your last piece through the 2 middle pieces and tie that knot. And then you're going to just repeat that process the entire way down. So you're going to create a 4, you're going to create the last strip, it's going to go over, then you're going to go under all your other pieces, and then you're going to pull them together nice and tight, making it all the way at the top. And this is going to create a twisted look to our braided bracelet. So if you want, you can add beads on, and how you're going to do so is you're going to twist the bottom of the fabric and creating a little point on your fabric to then be able to push the pony bead through. And you just give it a nice tug and you can pull it all the way on, and you can even do more than 1 bead at a time. And then once you've done all your braiding and your knot tying, you're going to tie 1 large knot at the bottom of the bracelet with all 4 pieces to then secure your braids in place. Then you're going to take the tape off and you're going to cut the ends of your bracelet, and then you can put it on your wrist and tie it up, and you have a braided beaded bracelet.